What we're going to look at now is how to add decimals and why adding decimals happens like it does. Because we're going to use the column method. We're going to use that vertical method that you've used before. And the words that we need to, and you're going to hear me use, are regroup, hundredth, tenth, and equivalent. So, my first question says 2.4 add 1.7. So we've got to make that. I've got here 2.4, I've got 4 tenths, and 1.7. Now we're going to put those from our vertical column and we're going to add them here. So, let's pull them here. I've got 2 here, 3, and I'm going to put my 7 here, and I'm going to bring my 4. Okay, so I've added all these together. What does that look like in a column then? Well, I'm going to have 2.4 and 1.7. The first thing I do then is I'm going to add my tenths. And if I add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've got 11. And if I've got over 9, I need to regroup them because I can make a full unit from these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to regroup those for one of these. So now what I've got is I've got 1/10 and I've got regrouped 10 of them to make one unit. Add up my units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Answer is 4.1. Let's have a look at another one and see how that works. 1.28 add 2.33. So let's write it out. 1.28 add 2.33. So let's make that from our Dienes. 1.2 and I need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need to add that to 2.3. 1, 2, 2.3, and the 2.33. 2.33. So let's start by adding on the right. Let's add our hundredths. So we add our hundredths. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I can regroup 10 of these hundredths for 1/10. So I'm going to regroup these for 1/10. If I do that here, it's the same thing. I've got 1 and I've regrouped 10 for 1/10. Let's now count my tenths. I've got 2, 3, and the 1 I regrouped. So I now have 1 and 2, I have 6. Now I have to add my unit. 1, 2, 3. It's 3.61. That is how adding decimals looks when we use Dienes to show why we're regrouping. You might not always need the Dienes, but what the Dienes can show us is why we regroup.